Replace the upper and lower filter belts of the belt filter press. Verify the filter cloth model and the pin wire. Remove the scraper. Open the filter cloth. Install the mounting frame. Cut the weft ends of the old filter cloth. Evenly tie the guide strip of the new filter cloth to the old one. Start the machine to drive the lower filter cloth. Reduce the air pressure of the lower filter cloth to 0 or turn it off. Adjust the tension air pressure of the upper filter cloth to 0.5 megapascals. Align and join the joint. Insert the steel guide wire and connecting wire. Thread the wire back through to secure it. Seal both ends of the filter cloth joint with adhesive. Similarly, replace the filter cloth above. Start up and perform a low-speed trial run.